Welcome to our tutorial on how to change the cursor speed in Windows 10. Adjusting the cursor speed can greatly improve your navigation and productivity. In this video, we will guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Press the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Step 2. In the Settings window, choose Devices, and then select Mouse from the left-hand side menu. Step 3. Under Cursor Speed, drag the slider to the desired speed, whether you prefer it to be slower or faster. Step 4. Once you have completed these steps, the mouse speed will change to the level you specified. Congratulations! You have successfully adjusted the cursor speed in Windows 10. By customizing the cursor speed, you can find the perfect balance between precision and swiftness, allowing you to navigate your computer more comfortably and efficiently. Remember, you can always go back to the settings and fine-tune the cursor speed to your preference. And there you have it! You now know how to easily change the cursor speed in Windows 10. Whether you want a slower pace for precise movements or a faster speed for quicker navigation, this simple adjustment can greatly enhance your user experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.